So, here's video 50 ng aking YouTube channel. And kung umabot kayo dito, sobrang maraming salamat. And also, I want to thank myself on actually doing this one. Actually, itong 50 videos na to is sinut ko siya in under a week. Okay, ang goal ko talaga dito is to enhance my speaking skills, enhance my kung paano ako magsalita sa camera, enhance how I spontaneously and authentically convey my ideas para masabi ko siya. So, ang goal nito is, yun ang goal nito. So, hindi, siguro ang second order goal nito or yung secondary goal is to have followers, to have likes, ganyan, and subscribers. Pero ang main goal ko talaga dito is to practice myself to talk and to post in YouTube. So, that's why kung makikita nyo, nauutal ako, hindi ko ini-edit, ganyan. Kasi ang number one goal ko lang naman dito, ang number one purpose ko lang naman dito, kaya ako nag-upload ng 50 videos is in order for me to get feedback, to know kung ano yung nag-work, kung ano yung hindi, ano yung mga need ko pa i-improve. So, that's why I made 50 videos and ito yung 50th video ko. And as of, this is November 3. Nag-start ako mag-film November 30. October 30. So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So, in that 5 days, nag-record ako ng 50 videos para lang ma-practice ko on how I talk in the camera. I don't care kung nauutal ako. So, parang inano ko dito yung perfectionism ko, medyo binabaan ko. Kasi usually yun yung kalaban ko eh. Meron akong fear of rejection. Meron akong fear of failure. That's why gusto ko lahat perfect. However, wala naman masama sa pagiging perfect, sa pagiging perfectionist. However, nagiging masama lang to if you are procrastinating. If yun yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ka nag-e-execute. Kumbaga, hinihintay mo yung perfect scenario, hinahantay mo yung perfect ganyan, perfect ganto in order for you to achieve your goals. So, ako dito, parang binibreak ko dito yung belief ko na you can always start kung ano yung kaya mong gawin ngayon. Kung ano yung kaya mo, kung ano yung mabibigay mong best ngayon. You can always start kung ano yung kaya mo ngayon, be resourceful. In that way, kapag nakapag-release ka ng mga videos, tsaka mo na i-improve, tsaka mo na i-refine. Kasi ako, lagi ako nagpo-procrastinate, I always feel stuck because wala pa nga yung product, wala pa nga ako na-release na video, iniisip ko na agad kung ano yung kailangan ko improve. Wala pa nga wala pa akong feedback, wala pa akong product itself. Kumbaga, yung product pinapaganda ko na nang hindi ko pa siya nire-release. So, in order for the product to improve, you need to have feedback or you just need to post it there. So, kung ikaw, balak mo mag-content creation, you want to build your personal brand. You want to put yourself out there kasi gusto mo mag-content, gusto mo mag-share ng value, you want to have impact. So, it starts with one video. So, kahit hindi perfect, kahit hindi maganda yung lighting mo, kahit hindi maganda yung camera mo, ang goal mo dito is to enhance your skills na kailangan in order for you to achieve that goal. Okay, and you will enhance your skills through repetitions. So that's why gumawa ka na ng maraming video kahit na hindi edited, hindi ganoon. Basta ang number one goal mo is to enhance your skill. Ito tulad nito video. I'm enhancing my skill on how to talk with the camera nang walang script, nang spontaneous lang. Ganyan. So, tulad nito, spontaneous, walang script to. So, ang ginagawa ko lang is bullet points and then I'm trying to explain it in my manner. So, ganyan. So, kung titingnan mo yung videos ko, di ba, pare-pareho lang yung suot ko. Pare-pareho lang ng views. Pare-pareho lang ng ganon. So, kung ikaw ay nag-subscribe, ikaw ay pinanood mo lahat ng videos ko or one or two videos, I'm really grateful that you are here. And for sure, after these 50 videos, alam ko na kung ano yung mga improve ko and marami pa akong i-release na videos na in which mas maganda kaysa sa mga nauna kong i-release. So, yun lang. I hope you continue support this channel and it is a really, really game-changing decision that 50 videos in under 5 days and just put it out there, walang edit, ganyan. Talagang kinalaban ko dito yung fear of failure and fear of rejection. So, yun lang. I hope you find value in this video. See you on the next videos. Let's go.